Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this soup today. Got a nice bowl there and a big pot of it there. Potato, I'm using sweet potato and regular potatoes and lentil soup, a little bit spicy, absolutely delicious. Vegetarian, healthy, easy, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Me. Okay, this is simple, this is delicious. So what I'm using today is about 3 cups of regular potatoes, kept the skin on them as well, and 3 cups of sweet potatoes. Again, I've kept the skin on. If you want, get some celery in here, get some carrots in here, something like that, but I'm just going with those. 2 cups of red dal. We're gonna give that a wash before we stick it in. 2 cups of onions. My onions are cut really small. It doesn't matter how you cut them really, because we're gonna blend the whole thing. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then 2 teaspoons cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. Let's get moving. So what's great about this soup is it's really simple, everything sort of goes in. Look, I've got some oil in there. I've got like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil, but you could change that if you want. Start off by dropping in those cumin seeds. And then here we go, look. The potatoes, the sweet potatoes, the onion, the dal that I've just washed, and then the spices, 2 teaspoons each of chili, cumin and turmeric. We're gonna add some salt to this. Now if you wanted, you could put some ginger or garlic in here, or you know, some ginger garlic paste or something like that. I'm staying away from it today. Above medium heat, fairly lively. We're going to go just for about 4 or 5 minutes. Stir often. So everything's real hard still. Just brought it together a bit. Now we're simply going to add water. I've got 2 litres of water here. I'm going to drop that in. We're going to bring it to a boil. Once it gets to boiling point, very simply, we're going to then put it on a nice medium kind of rolling boil for about 10 minutes until everything's nice and soft. Okay, so look, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off. Get a lot of steam out there so it doesn't go onto the camera. So you just need to cook this until everything's really nice and soft, as you can see what we have right there. So I've got one of these guys. This goes in, blend it up, you know, zoom, zoom, zoom. If you don't have one of these, you could maybe use one of those jug type things to whirl it up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, look, that is beautiful, nice and smooth. It's very thick. Now, I'm going to keep it thick. I kind of like it like that consistency, but if you want to thin it out, maybe a little bit more water or stock, or even maybe some coconut milk in there would be good. If you wanted to get some cilantro or coriander in there, give it a little mix. I'm probably going to serve it with some on the top. Check it for salt. Job done. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.